back to my channel. So in this video I'll be doing a tutorial for this eye look, so if you are interested in seeing it, then definitely do keep on watching. First off, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelid using my P.Louise base. Just gonna apply a little bit on the eye and blend it out with the brush. My drama is this click on record before I started doing the eye look. Anyways, so I'm using this palette for today's eye look, and the color that is already in my crease is this shade right here. This shade right here is what I have in my crease. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out. This shade Okay, I love it. That's good. So let's go ahead and do this one. Okay, liner is all applied. I'm going to just go ahead and fix my lashes, and I'll be right back. Lashes are on. People, they are on. So I'm just going ahead. Sorry. So I'm just going to go ahead, dust off my excess powder and powder my whole face. Then I will be back to finish off the eyes. Okay, I've powdered my face, so now it's time to finish off the eyes. Okay, so I'm going to use my gel liner. I'm going to apply that in my waterline. Well, that's not all. Okay, then back to the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this shade right here. This shade right here. Apply it in the inner corner of my eye. Looks good. Okay. So that's is it? Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my face and apply my glow. Then I'll come back and do my mascara on the bottom lashes and on my up here. And then I went ahead and finished up my face and did my lips and my edges. So mascara is still not done yet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply. Oh my god. Apply mascara. Okay, and this is it, you guys, the finished